Hey you guys, I wanted to make a quick mention here. This guy here, he's got a portable 175 and some other equipment. This is where I started. I started basically portable stuff going through. And the thing is, the portable guys who want to do a good job, you have to want to learn, you have to be hungry for it. Generally make the most legit and best carpet cleaners anywhere. That's my opinion. Guys who run out and buy a truck without knowing the chemistry or mechanics behind how anything works, generally is a recipe for disaster. But anyhow, I just say that because I want to give some encouragement to some of you guys who are starting out and may not have the best equipment. I definitely started out with some pretty low-end equipment and still running some pretty low-end equipment, but able to do a phenomenal work in most cases. So I just want to say that I'm not looking for anybody's approval who's been in the carpet cleaning business forever, but what you got to do is talk to people and learn tricks and little things that will help you out in the long run. That's the only recommendation really I can get to you. So I hope that you take that with a grain of salt and be able to use it and apply it to your own business. Have a great day.